Welcome to my channel. Why won't my printer print? 1. Printer is powered on. Check if the printer's power light is on. If not, make sure it's plugged in and switched on. 2. Check USB or Wi-Fi connection. For wired printers, verify that the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and your computer. For wireless printers, ensure it's connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. 3. Ensure printer is not offline. On Windows, go to Devices and Printers, Control Panel, Hardware and Sound. Right-click on the printer and ensure the Use Printer Offline option is not checked. 4. Restart printer and computer. Power off both the printer and your computer, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. This can reset any temporary glitches. 5. Check for paper jams or low ink/toner. Inspect the paper tray and inside the printer for any paper jams. Also, check the ink or toner levels, as low levels can prevent printing. 6. Set printer as default. Right-click your printer in Devices and Printers, and select Set as Default Printer, to ensure the computer is sending print jobs to the correct printer. 7. Clear print queue. If the print queue is stuck, right-click the printer in Devices and Printers, select See What's Printing, and cancel any stuck jobs. 8. Update or reinstall printer drivers. Go to your printer manufacturer's website, download the latest drivers for your printer model, and install them. 9. Run the printer troubleshooter. Go to Windows Settings, update Security, troubleshoot a printer, and follow the on-screen instructions to fix the issue. 10. Check printer status. Some printers have a display that shows errors, such as out of paper or replace ink cartridge. Thank you for watching.